Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make spinach salad dressing. First, let's start with the fundamentals. A great dressing begins with quality ingredients. You'll need a good extra virgin olive oil, a vinegar like apple cider or balsamic, and some basic seasonings. Whisk these together to form a simple, yet delicious, vinaigrette. Remember, the key is balancing the oil and acid to your personal taste. Now, let's elevate that basic vinaigrette. A teaspoon of Dijon mustard not only adds a lovely tang, but also helps emulsify the dressing, keeping it from separating. For a hint of sweetness, consider adding a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. Don't forget fresh herbs. A sprinkle of chopped dill, parsley, or chives can introduce wonderful aromatic notes and brighten the overall flavor profile. If you prefer a creamier dressing, there are fantastic options. Greek yogurt or sour cream can add a rich, velvety texture and a pleasant tang. For a healthier, plant-based creamy dressing, blend in half an avocado. This creates a wonderfully smooth consistency. You can always adjust the thickness by adding a small amount of water or milk until it reaches your desired pourable consistency. Once your delicious spinach salad dressing is made, proper storage is important. Keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Before serving, give it a good shake to re-emulsify any separated ingredients. And here's a crucial tip. Always drizzle your dressing onto the spinach just before serving. This prevents the leaves from becoming soggy, ensuring a crisp and fresh salad experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.